Hi, I'm Casper, and I just wanted to show the world the site I found called the PSP Blender, which is a site where you can download PSP movies, games and music to transfer to your PSP, and I'll just show you how it works. You just pick a game, let's say strategy for example. This is number 1, Jean's Ark. Let's download it. Now you're transferred to a page where you can download it. Just take a quick second. Oh yeah, you have to be logged in order to download the games and the movies and music. And the funny thing is that it's legal, and you only have to pay $37 one time, and then you have access forever. Your membership never expires, as it says here, and there's no additional fees. So it's only $47, and then you can download over 100 of PSP games and movies and musics. And I really enjoy it when I travel a lot. I can just download a movie or a game and try it out. It's very cool. So yeah, I would recommend that you checked out the site and became a member like me. Really.